A very good morning to all my dear students. In previous video we have discussed about chapter number 10, Western and Central India, but today we will discuss about the exotic northeast. The exotic northeast. Identify and write the names of the following places of northeast with the help of clue box given below. Okay students, clue box given in your book. According to clue box we will write the all these name in a particular space of clue box. Okay students, you know that these are all names we will write in the particular space according to clue box. First is Aizawl, Kohima, Agartala, Guwahati and Shillong. These are all names write in a we will write in a particular space according to clue box. So students, let's see in your book. Okay, let's see students. Identify and write the names of following places of northeast with the help of the clue box given below. Okay, here first clue box is given below. First is that known as Pragya Jyotispura. Pragya Jyotispura, here space is vacant, is the largest city of Assam and a major riverine port city located within the city in an ancient Shakti temple of goddess Kamakhya. Okay, goddess Kamakhya. So students, here you will write Guwahati. This is the goddess Kamakhya, Shakti temple of goddess Kamakhya. So you will write here Guwahati. Okay students, in first you will write here Guwahati. Guwahati. Okay, that is Guwahati. Now this is the ancient Shakti temple of goddess Kamakhya. Second is perched on the bank of river Howrah. Okay, perched on the banks of river Howrah, the capital city, here space is vacant. Capital city refers to the density of agarwoods tree found in abundance in the region Ujjainta. Okay, Ujjainta Palace is the tourist attraction of the city. This is a Ujjainta Palace. Okay students, Ujjainta Palace is the tourist attraction of the city. So students, you will write here Agartala. Okay, you will write here Agartala. Agartala. Okay, so you can read it. Perched on the banks of river Howrah, the capital city Agartala. Okay, capital city Agartala refers to the density of agarwood tree found in abundance in the region. Okay, Ujjanta Palace. This is the Ujjanta Palace is the tourist attraction of the city. Now next, third is, it was earlier known as Thigoma. It is located on the top of high ridge and the town serpentine along the top of the mountain ranges, as is typical of most Naga settlements. Catholic Cathedral is the architectural landmark in the district. Okay, this one, about this one. Okay, it was earlier known as Thigoma. It is located on the top of high ridge and the town serpentine along the top of mountain ranges. Top of mountain ranges, as is typical of most Naga settlements. Catholic Cathedral is the architectural landmark in the district. Kohima. You will write here Kohima. Okay, students, you will write here Kohima. Now fourth is popularly called the Scotland of East. Scotland of East, here vacant space, lies in the center of plateau surrounded by three hills of looms, Shohpetnig, Loom Dingy and Loom Silong. Air Force Museum is a perfect place to learn about the defense force of the country. Okay, students, popularly called the Scotland of the East is known as Shillong. Okay, you will write here Shillong. Shillong. Okay, so popularly called the Scotland of the East, Shillong lies in the center of plateau surrounded by three hills of loom, Shohpetnig, Loom Dingy and Loom Silong. Air Force Museum is a perfect place to learn about the defense force of the country. Okay, now last one, fifth is located north of the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer in the northern part of Mizoram. In the northern part of Mizoram, with the Tolong River Valley to its west and the Turial River Valley to its east. Okay, listen very carefully. It is located north of the Tropic of Cancer in the northern part of Mizoram, with the Tolong River Valley to its west and the Turial River Valley to its east. Okay, so you will write here Aizawl. Okay, AIZAWL. Okay, students, so this is the exotic northeast. So students, according to clue box, we write here, according to clue box, first is Guwahati, second is Agartala, third is Kohima, fourth is Shillong and fifth is Aizawl. Okay, Thank you. In next video we'll discuss about chapter number 12.